coral has several distinguishing features that can help us identify it. 1. Hard, stony skeleton. Coral has a hard, stony skeleton that is made up of calcium carbonate. This skeleton provides support and protection for the coral polyps that live within it. 2. Polyp structure. Coral is made up of tiny, individual polyps that are connected to each other. Each polyp has a mouth surrounded by tentacles that it uses to capture food. 3. Color and shape. Coral comes in a variety of colors and shapes, depending on the species. Some corals are branching, while others are massive or encrusting. 4. Habitat. Coral is found in warm, shallow waters in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Coral reefs are often found in clear, nutrient-rich waters with plenty of sunlight. 5. Symbiotic relationship. Many species of coral have a symbiotic relationship with algae called zooxanthellae. The coral provides a protected environment for the algae to grow, while the algae provide the coral with food through photosynthesis. These are some of the key features that can help us distinguish coral from other types of marine organisms.